Hello everyone, this is Rohit Dudam and welcome to my channel Padma. And today I'm not going to show you any exercise or any asana. Today I'm going to explain about exercise. I'm going to explain you how to motivate yourself to start exercise. Recently I have created my channel Padma and I got a huge response from you, and I have uploaded a few videos, and I saw there so many comments, a lot of people have updated there, and when I start this channel, so my colleagues and my friends and my relatives called me. They watch my video, but they need a more information on that. So I decided to talk with you through video, so I can share with you to how to start exercise. Okay, so where I have used my formula, there is a 21 days 21 by 90 formula is there, so you can apply to yourself as well. When I start to when I start my yoga certification at institute, so there is a discipline is very important in your life. So same as we can follow the discipline. First of all, please don't waste your time. When you wake up early morning, don't hold your mobile. Clearly, when you wake up early morning, keep your mobile away and start your workout. So everyone means normally, even I also gone through that way. Means I was also very I could not complete every day, means I was not able to do everyday exercise. But when I realized why exercise is important in our life, so I realized that and I started the practice. Same thing I want to share with you. You can do also same way to follow the 21 days by 21 days by 90 formula. 21 days means draw a note, take your notebook, draw a table, and write there from 1st to 31st dates, 21 days, and complete your task. Let me share with you. I am also following in same today as well. Take your notebook. Okay, I will show you how to do this. Here you can mention 21 by 90 days. First column is day, second is date, third is status, just I am going roughly, I am drawing here. Okay, now day 1, 2, 3, this is a date, not day, and this is a day. Okay, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Status. For example, on Monday you started exercise and you completed your workout. Mark as a completed. Again, same day, Tuesday also you done. Mark completed. But on third day you tired and you decide, no, I don't want to do a workout today. So here mention gap. So this gap remind you did not do exercise on that day. But when I realize, no, I have to do exercise every day, and that is very important. So this chart will help you how to do exercise and how to, because a written on notebook, it will always keep you remember I have to start exercising. Okay, so you completed on first day, second day, third day. Then again, like this November chart you can do for 21 days, and after 21 days you can complete your life. Now I will explain you how to execute this plan. Let's take day 1 you started. Okay, and wake up early morning. For example, you decided to wake up at 6 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, or 7, 8, 9, whatever you suitable for you. When you wake up, walk 10 minutes only. 10 minutes walk is very important. After 10 minutes walk, you can do a warm up, as I explained you in my previous video, where you can start warm up exercise. Okay, and just 5 minutes, not more than that, right? And enough. First 10 days are enough. So like this, you can start your day. Exercise importance, you will get huge benefits out there. Not in thousand, you will get in millions. So exercise is very important. And if you started yogasana, your body and mind will be stable. It will really give you more and more benefits. Through meditation, you can control on your mind. So to create, the reason behind this, to create this video, to prepare your mind, think positive, and you have to do exercise every day, which is very, very important. Prepare your mind and think about this. I have to start exercise every day. As I explained you earlier, 21 days, please apply to your lifestyle to explain this and do this. Okay. So, rule 1, don't waste your time. Second thing, wake up early morning. Third thing, follow the 21 days formula. Okay, 21 days formula, you will get very, very too much benefits. I already applied on my daily lifestyle and I really got a good feedback and good result. So same thing you have to do. Please try to motivate yourself. I have to do exercise. Don't give any excuse. If you want to do something different than others, obviously you have to follow this rule. And this will help you. I'm damn sure this will help you. See, until and unless you will not start, you won't get. Everyone want to be a looking good. Everyone want to be a, you can reduce your belly fat, which is, until unless you will not start, you can't get result, right? So same things. Please do this. And one more thing, please, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. If you're still not subscribed, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon, which is very important, because when I upload the next video, so you will automatically get the notification over there. Yeah. And third, the next video will be Padmasana. I will show you. I will go again episode wise, so you can start, or you can do exercise with me as well. When I upload the video to YouTube channel, you can watch and you can start with me. So Padmasana, I will explain you in next upcoming session. You can wait till there. On YouTube, you will find lot of videos out there. But one thing, please keep in mind, think positively. Start exercise from today or tomorrow. You can prepare a chart or notebook, as I already shown you. Maintain 21 days. Every day, start mark, yes, I have completed, I have done the exercise today. If you maintain a gap, so please fill the gap on next day. So at least after 21 days, you will get a surprise. Oh, I'm really, means I can do this anything. If I do 21 days, so I can do anything. After 21 days, what results you will get? Your mind is completely get changed. You will think positively. You will get more and more result over there. Second thing, once you complete 21 days, go to 90 days. Because 21 days now you have completed your habits and you are fully, your mind is prepared. Every day I'm practicing. So 100% you will get the benefits. You can reduce your weight, you can lose your weight, you can do anything whatever you want. Its career is also very important once you start exercise. I hope this information is enough for you, and follow my next episode, and I guarantee you will definitely get benefits of it. So please, if you like my channel, share and do a subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you.